So USDT Dominance, USDT.D, is a chart that a friend of mine suggested I look at a while ago, and he also suggested this Fib channel on it, and let me say it has worked quite well. So the inception of the channel was from here to here, and as you see I had to add another layer to the channel, the minus 0.1 here, and that's where our bull market whatever ended. So the USDT chart is basically about the amount of USDT in circulation. So if you think about it, a lot of people, if a lot of people buy coins, then this drops. If a lot of people sell coins, then this goes up. Now once we reached here for the second time, I pointed out that this might as well be a impulse move up. I realized that this is a move up around here, where the likelihood was that this is a third wave. Fifth wave came into the middle of this channel, and then we said if this will be a 3-wave down, so an ABC move down, this should go into a fib level of interest, and it did, 0.382. Textbook ABC down. I bet you can even create a channel on it like that. And now we're impulsing out of it. Now the question is, now obviously this 5-wave moves up I drawn before this actually started, this move up started, but this looks like it's an impulsive move, and you see that by the gaps that are being created and just the sheer size of them. Now if this was supposed to stop here, for example, as a minor wave 1, then we would do another fib level, and we would expect a ABC move down. Let me just do this in a lower degree, and let me just put black and a wave here. Actually, let's do it red. So if this is the top of the wave 1, then would be a ABC down. Now that will probably create a bit of a rally in Bitcoin and the coins. And after that, so if it dips, let's say, into the 0.236382, we get an impulse move up. Now if this analysis is correct, and we will get a third wave up, that's going to be an impulsive wave, which not honestly probably takes us up to here somewhere, and then a pullback, maybe somewhere close to the middle of the channel. Obviously, if this will be the top of this current wave 1, you don't want it to go below this level here, so you can come in as deep as that, and then another push up in the top of the channel. If this all happens, it sets up as a really nice zigzag. So a zigzag 535 Elliott wave is basically formed from 5 waves up, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, an ABC move down, ABC, and then another 5 waves up, 1 2 3 4 5. So a 5 3 5, that's a zigzag move. Obviously this is just my analysis of the market, and this is just one of the things I look at when I want to decide where the market might be going in the near future. So I'll be watching this chart closely, and we will see if this plays out or not. If it does play out, if we take a fib time tool and we do from the bottom of the 1, top of the 5, so basically the first wave, and then we go down here to the end of the C, so basically end of the correction, that will take us somewhere into, let me do this again, November. So November, this would be confluent with the 4-year cycle. If we bottom, well, top on the USDT dominance, bottom on the coin somewhere in November, and then slowly start going down as we did in 22, and we started going down to 25 as we did before. The market is not gonna die, you know. There's all sorts of bearish news now about sailors selling coins and all that, so that's just bear market things. And let's face it, guys, this is a bear market. If you look at Bitcoin, this is a bear market. This is all behind us, so we'll see how that plays out, guys. Smash that like button and I'll come with an update next week. See you later.